How to use Uber Pro card or bank account to withdraw money or to transfer any amount of money from your Uber Pro card to any other bank account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and let's start this video. We will start this video from the official website of Uber Pro card here and check that what type of card it is. Here you can see that in this card you can simply add your money and get a MasterCard in exchange of money. Like you can withdraw your money from using this Uber Pro MasterCard. Please mind this is not a Visa card here, so you can only withdraw money from your MasterCard. Now we will scroll down that can we really withdraw money through the ATMs, through online purchase and through any type of payment method you want. Now, is this as a debit card or a credit card? So the Uber Pro card is a debit card and a checking account also. So you can do things like make purchases online wherever you want throughout your country. MasterCard is accepted. Transfer money and you can use it over 55,000 ATMs in your country. So yes, that is really good, and you can go to the ATM or you can go to the online transfer store and you can transfer the amount or withdraw any type of amount you want. This is all about the Uber Pro card. You can read more details here and get solution for every problem. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.